everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do the video which I should have done quite a while back. It is the review video for the Yellow Rose, which has been a very long and drawn out process getting that done. Now, part of the reason was that I did pick up cross stitch, so I had a lot of cross stitch patterns and projects going, and I was kind of fitting sort of diamond painting in around that, but also I wasn't 100% happy with it. I had it made as a custom, and I will go into that in a little bit more detail in a minute, but I got it from Ever Moment, who is a supplier on AliExpress, who are fantastic generally. What I would say is, if you've got a diamond painting that is from them, that is like a generic diamond painting, not one that is a custom, then they are fantastic. Yes, they are a little bit more expensive. However, their canvases do tend to be a little bit more, I would say, higher quality than your average. I never ever have an issue with drills that are missing. I always have enough drills for whatever I'm doing. And you know, they come really quite quickly as well, generally within 7 to 10 days. So I am overall really happy with Ever Moment. But the past couple of orders that I've done with them that have been custom orders, I've not been like majorly really happy with them. So I had one done a couple of years ago, and it was like it was really pretty. It was like a lavender potted plant, and it had a bit of this and that in the background and things, and it was really nice. But I just felt personally that the colour was slightly off. So the colour that I gave them, the purple, wasn't quite the right colour. Now, when you're dealing with colour coordination and runes and things, you really need the shade of the colour to be really correct and right. The colour purple is so versatile, like it is, you know, every other, like pink and oranges, and you know, you have so many different shades of those colours that it really needs to be right. And unfortunately it wasn't. It was very much it came out like almost like a deeper purple, not a deeper purple, that's the wrong word. It was more of like a bluey purple than a darker, more of a dark heather purple. And so I completed it. I didn't do like a review video on it or anything, because that was before I was doing any of my time lapses. But I'm having the same issue. I've had the same issue with the Yellow Rose. Now, the size of it was a 60 by 90 square drill, and the canvas actually was pretty bad quality for them, I have to say. I wasn't impressed at all. But I had them send me a custom, and that came, and it was way too orange. And then I had them, you know, I sent a picture of it and said, look, the colours are way off. I mean, it was supposed to be Yellow Rose, not an orange rose, and it came back pretty much quite orange. And so the parts that were supposed to be darker were supposed to be orange, and then the parts that were supposed to be lighter were supposed to be yellow. So the orange really is what plays in all the shading. But I was finding that the rose itself was pretty much coming out 742, which is quite you know, quite a deep colour. And then the main kind of the shading colour was coming up brown. You know, I had quite a lot of browns in that, and I was sticking at it, and I know a lot of people say, you know, just carry on, because, you know, it comes out different, but the whole entire colour was off. It was a lot darker than it was supposed to be. So I messaged Zoe at Ever Moment, and this is the other reason why I really like dealing with Ever Moment, because they are so easy to get in contact with. If you've got any problems, they're like, okay, really sorry, we'll send you a replacement, we'll do this, we'll do that. So they sent me another replacement, and it came, and the canvas wasn't as good quality, but the colour was better, but it wasn't right. It's still too orange. You know, I understand that you've got, you know, with regards to the shading and things like that, but you know, the whole thing was way more orange than it was supposed to be. So I am going to just do a voiceover for the diamond painting. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to kind of go through it and show you what it looks like and things. and sort of talk to you, sorry, in more detail about, you know, the actual painting itself. But, you know, with regards to sort of having it transported over and delivering things, and you know, the processing time and getting it out, you can't really fault Evermoment. But I feel that because they are very much a go-to now for customs, their standards are slipping slightly. But that's kind of part and parcel, isn't it, of working with these companies. But I'm just going to flip you over to what my diamond painting looks like finished. I am going to voice over so that I can talk to you about it, and then I will sort of come back and sort of do this next video, sort of the end of the video, to, you know, wrap everything up. So I will speak to you in a second. Right, so this is the diamond painting. As you can see, it is pretty orange. The finish is okay, not amazing. I did have a lot of rivers in this, so I've got quite a few raised drills. Using the usual, you know, the knife across the middle of the river and down the river, and then you can use your diamond painting pen to kind of, you know, almost rub them out. So you just flatten the canvas, the glue or the adhesive, but it didn't seem to work on this. But as you can see, it has come out quite orange. I mean, it is very beautiful, don't get me wrong, but it's just the wrong shading. Now, I did get a mock-up from Evermoment, so that was done, and the one that I was sent, you know, was really nice. But unfortunately, when getting the diamond painting, it hasn't, you know, really been a success, I would say, because I'm not really happy about it. Well, I think one of the reasons why it took me so long to complete it is because, you know, in my heart of hearts, I was like, this isn't going to go on the wall, and I wasn't enjoying it, because I just did feel that it was slightly ruined. Now, in a second, I am going to zoom in, and you will be able to see the rivers. Now, I don't know if you can see, the light just slightly catches it. It's in the middle, it's in the yellow part, in the middle of the screen. And I just feel that if that was to go on my wall in my office, which is where it's going, if the light kind of catches it wrong, it's just going to show the rivers. And for me, you know, I'm not overly happy about it. But that is the finished diamond painting. It is lovely, but it's not what I'm really happy with. So I think I'm going to end up doing that again, and going from there. But I will speak to you in a second when I've finished this talk over. Hello, I'm back again. I hope that video was informative and that you are able to take away that information, and it will help you to make decisions for, you know, further diamond paintings or customs. The thing with customs is that they are quite personal, and, you know, a lot of time and effort and you know, hours and hours and hours just go into doing them. So you want to make sure that the quality is really good and that it is the best it can be. Now, I will say this, the drills were brilliant. I know the colours were off, but the drills for Evermoment are really good quality. And in fact, I have got a whole separate area with regards to my boxes. I keep all my drills in these boxes. I'm just about to do another video on organising my drills, but which is why I've got these to hand. But I have got separate boxes for my Evermoment drills because I don't really want to mix them up. I also have separate boxes for road diamonds because after my experience with Evermoment for the last couple of customs, I don't think that I will be using them for customs again in the future. Now, my customs that I go to now are Road Diamonds, Samantha at Road Diamonds. She has such good quality diamond paintings. In fact, I'm doing one which is like 90 centimeters by 110, and the canvas is fantastic. The drills are brilliant. The only thing I really love about the Evermoment drills is that they tend to click in really, really well, and you don't get any gaps. But I find that with some others that you do get gaps. If you have, you know, stuck around my channel for long, you'll know that I'm doing like a 5-panel diamond painting as well, and that is from Diz Paint, and I've never used them before. I was persuaded to use them by the lovely Facebook groups that we've got, because most people haven't had any issues with them. I did find that the first one, I obviously I've only done one panel, and I'm kind of going to do a review video of the whole thing after, I think. But for the first panel, I ran out of diamonds. 2 colours I ran out, and we're not talking about a huge diamond painting, so I'm really disappointed with that. And I'm just about to do the other couple of panels now. But that is a big thing, and Row Diamonds are fantastic with making sure that they have given you enough diamonds, and so are Evermoment. I can't complain with them either. They're fantastic with that respect. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. I know it was very short and sweet, but join me again shortly. I am going to do an organise with me, because I've got the rest of the 2 other panels to do, the L and the E. I need to get those into boxes, so I've got my drills here that I'm just about to organise. So join me for that video if you'd like. If you've liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be notified as soon as the video goes up live if you press the notification bell at the same time. But thank you very much, and I will see you again soon. Bye.